Hello everyone, my name is Rhushi and on this YouTube channel, I'll be sharing with you my journey of building a startup called Helpxpert. Before talking about anything else, first of all, let me share with you what problem I'm solving because startup is all about that. Back in 2024, I purchased an synthesizer, which is you can call as an electrical piano. In that there were hundreds of buttons, thousands of functions. After playing it for a few days, I've got this doubt is how to change the scale of tabla in this. And to do that, I've opened the user manual. That is what everyone does at the first time. I opened the user manual. It was 80 pages of manual with complex diagrams and that small text. And in that I tried to find out the answer. After spending 20-25 minutes, I've got to know it is really hectic and it is really impossible to find out that answer inside this. So I went on the YouTube. In the second step, I opened YouTube. I searched for the same thing, how to change the scale of tabla in this model. And after hustling for half an hour around, I've got the simple two-step process where I have to click one button and rotate a knob. That's it. To find out this simple two-step process, it took me around 1 hour. And luckily, at the same time, I was learning about LangChain and generative AI. And I was building a project where you'll upload the PDF and after that ask the questions, whatever questions comes into mind about that PDF, and AI will answer it. And I thought, what if I'll just upload my PDF of that synthesizer's manual to this AI, and what if I'll just ask this question to this AI and after that try to find out the answer. And I did that. Within few seconds, I've got that two-step process. That same process to find out the same answer, it took 1 hour using that manual and using YouTube. And here this AI was answering the same question using the same PDF within few seconds. After that, it clicked me. There are thousands of products which are more complex than this synthesizer. There are millions of users who are getting frustrated due to this process of user manual and calling the client and calling everyone to calling the support and raising the tickets. What if I built a solution where manufacturers or the companies will upload their manuals and they'll create the chatbots and give chatbots to their customers, and whenever there is a question comes into the mind of customers will ask on that and they'll get the answers. And if they don't get the answers, they'll also raise the tickets which will be accessible to the companies. Along with that, they'll get all the analysis about what are the things customers are getting confused, what are the things we have to work on, what are the things which are not present in the PDF, and accordingly you can have that report which says these are the things some customers are getting confused, these are the things you can change, these are the small changes. If you do this, then after that your product will be more useful, more easily to use. And that is the startup I'm building. In the first video, I explained you what is the problem statement, what is the thing I'm working on, and in the next video, I'll show the minimum viable product, which is an MVP which I've built. I've used normal technologies like Node.js and React.js in that, and I've built this entire AI, ML, and everything is built now. And I'll show you that. Along with that, I'll explain you what is the solution, what are the things I've used. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.